Imagine totaling your car because the other driver ran a red light. Then you find out they have no insurance. You have property damage and personal injuries that have created additional expenses and inconveniences. So how do you get compensated? Over the next few minutes, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about being involved in an uninsured motorist bodily injury situation. My name is Chris Shouse. I'm a Baton Rouge personal injury lawyer, and since 1992, here at Pearson Shouse, we've been helping injured crash victims get justice for their injuries. If you've been injured and are being pushed around by the insurance companies, visit my website and schedule a meeting with our firm. You're entitled to fair and full compensation, and we can help you get it. Being involved in a car accident is a frightening experience. But what if, amidst this chaos, you discover that the driver who caused the accident is uninsured? Who should bear the financial burden of this incident? Uninsured motorist bodily injury, or UMBI, is insurance coverage designed to protect individuals injured in accidents caused by uninsured or underinsured drivers. While motor vehicle insurance is mandatory in most states, some individuals still choose to drive without coverage. UMBI is an additional safeguard that offers financial protection for innocent parties. When an uninsured driver causes an accident resulting in bodily injury to another person, the financial responsibility falls on various entities involved. Let's explore who may have to shoulder these costs. 1. Your insurance company. If you have uninsured motorist coverage as a part of your auto insurance policy, your insurance company may be required to compensate you for the damages caused by the uninsured driver. This coverage is essential as it occurs when the responsible party cannot fulfill their obligations. Importantly, Louisiana law mandates that a claim on uninsured motorist coverage will not affect your rates, your ratings experience, or your insurability. Secondly, the at-fault driver. Although an uninsured motorist may not have adequate funds to cover the damages, it's still possible to pursue legal action against them. However, even if a judgment is obtained, extracting compensation without proper insurance coverage or significant personal assets can be challenging and time-consuming. 3. Your health insurance provider. If you have health insurance, it may cover some of your medical expenses related to the accident. However, you're likely required to pay deductibles, co-pays, and other out-of-pocket costs. 4. Medicaid or Medicare. If you're eligible for these government health care programs, they may cover your accident-related medical expenses. Like your health insurer or your auto insurer, they will likely subrogate and seek to recover what they pay out to you from the at-fault party. 5. Out-of-pocket expenses. Unfortunately, there may be instances where you have to bear the financial burden yourself, particularly if you do not have uninsured motorist coverage or adequate health insurance. Finding oneself involved in an accident caused by an uninsured motorist can be daunting. However, it's crucial to know that options are available to ensure you are not solely responsible for the financial fallout. Uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage and other forms of med pay or health insurance and legal recourse can provide a safety net during these challenging times. Reviewing your insurance coverage periodically and ensuring adequate protection is always advisable. While no one wants to imagine being involved in a car accident, being informed and prepared can help ease the burden should such an unfortunate event occur. I used to work for the insurance companies. I know their tricks and I know their strategies. That's the reason I now work for injured parties instead of big insurance companies. When you work with our firm, there are no out-of-pocket expenses to you. We work with you on a contingency agreement, which means if we don't win your case, we don't receive compensation. If you've suffered an injury through no fault of your own and the insurance company's pushing you around, schedule a time to meet with my firm today.